Camp Kindness Counts, based in Redmond, Washington, launched a new program with the purpose of building on parents and caregivers' current strengths and supporting them in 3 ways. First, providing language and science which parents could use to encourage character development while role modeling. Second, providing experiential learning activities and opportunities to build community. And lastly, dedicating time to reflect. We discovered through research and the activities we implemented, when parents take the time to foster virtues such as gratitude or forgiveness in their children, they build on their own strengths while helping to nurture them in their children. And when children are provided the opportunity to practice building on pro-social skills and virtues, this helps to build a positive foundation for how they will treat themselves and others. There were 2 parts to our program. In the first part, we took some of our existing programs, such as our camps or family service events, and added a parent support component to them. At each monthly family service event, we practiced a specific character strength. So in February, we practiced compassion. We shared research-informed compassion activities with families to take home. And after our service, we dedicated time to reflect on what we did, how we felt, and lastly, how we could continue practicing compassion in our daily lives. The second part of our program, Kind World Explorers, is designed to be a parent or caregiver initiative and focuses 100% on character development. 12 Kind World Explorers guidebooks were developed. Each guidebook contains research-informed activities to foster the specific character strength. Parents can do the activities with their own family or with other families and form a club. Activities dive deep into 3 themes, which we call worlds. There's my world, your world, and our world. For example, when we learn about gratitude, my world activities revolve around how we practice gratitude towards ourselves. Now for your world, how can you practice gratitude towards those in your comfort zone, parents, friends, teachers? And lastly, our world. How can we practice gratitude towards those we may never meet or know, or even the environment? In this way, families have the opportunity to understand and practice a character strength with so many different perspectives. Each child receives a Kind World Explorer passport booklet to reflect in after each activity. Through surveys and anecdotal data collected both during and after participation in our activities, we learned parents noticed themselves practicing and modeling the virtues which they sought to cultivate in their children. They felt they became more mindful and patient with each other at home. They noticed their children expressing more confidence and the desire to help others, and they seemed happier.